set of loose boards is such a great resource for art-based activities. So I'm going to show you a bird's eye view of how I use these loose parts to create a beautiful art piece, and you can let your child create their own as well. Loose parts is such an amazing tool to create beautiful pieces of art. Here I'm using them to create some pretty flowers. So much fun to do, and it's not only flowers that you can create. There are so many beautiful different things that you can create. I will create a little sun to shine down on the flowers here, and your child's imagination is really the limit here. There are so many wonderful options for them. Obviously these flowers are a great choice in springtime because it reflects nice on what's happening in the season. But you can also build rocket ships, or you can build animal faces, or you can depict emotions. Such a wonderful tool to do artwork with.